Hello guys, this is Jay and I am going to be cooking today, and this is what I'm making. It's a turkey. Well, this is ground turkey and a vegetable dish with some onions, spices, stuff like that. So to make something quick and easy and simple but tastes good at the same time. And yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm going to turn this around. Well, you can't. Microwave's on. I put the vegetables in there and I'm going to start the meat. Okay, I'm also cutting up this red onion. See this red onion
That's
here?
a radio.
Mm-hmm.
That's
You
great.
have this red onion. It's good for salads, and also it's good for making your main dish, which is what we're having. So I'll finish cutting that up, and then that's it for now. Okay, these are the onions. So chop them up. Red onions. Okay, I'm also taking some red onions. Red onions are good, and they cook faster than white onions, but white onions is good too. But I mean, white potatoes. These are red potatoes. So these are good to put them with the mixture, and I put. You can see. Can you see that? The onions and the meat mixture cooking. I put a little olive oil in there, and then I'll put the potatoes in. I'll cut those up. Okay, wanted to show you what the ingredients look like. And I put everything in it. So I'm going to turn the phone around. You can see that? It's mixed vegetables, that frozen mixed vegetables that I put in the microwave. Something simple and easy, quick. You know, sit there and cook it all day. And potatoes and a meat mixture. And then I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use for seasoning. And yeah, be back in a moment. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in onion powder. Just a little bit of fine salt. Well, you can't read it because it looks right there. And Jamaican curry. And I'm also putting in this guacamole that I brought. And just because you have guacamole, or it's guacamole salsa, say that. And just because you have guacamole salsa, it doesn't mean that you have to use it just for those chips, you know, taco chips and all that. You can use it in your food, and it adds a nice flavor to it, and gives you a different taste, you know. And I always use butter. Just a little bit of butter. Butter goes a long way. Makes food taste very, very good. Okay, put this on pause. Okay, and some people might say, well, Jay, why are you using onion powder when you have onions? Because onion powder, it just brings out, really, John? Onion powder just brings out the flavor of the onion, okay? And this is what I do. I sprinkle at the top, and it gives me a nice amount. I don't use measuring cups or something like that. It's just instinct, and it's just what I do. I use the top of the seasoning, and I could tell just a bit, not too much. It's usually about a teaspoon, but I don't put a teaspoon in there. I mean, not a teaspoon, it's like a tablespoon. So it's more like 10 milliliters, something like that. So here I go. Just a nice coating of that. Put that back on there. I'm going to add a little water. Again, I had added some water before, and I put some olive oil, but I do add water, so here's some water. As you can see, that cooking like so. Stir it around. I like using red potatoes because red potatoes get soft. It gets softer than the white ones. I like the white ones too, but something about those red potatoes. They're just nice and soft. Okay, so I'll let that cook. Okay, don't know if you can see it that well, but I did add, oh wait a minute, turn this way.